Hello everyone. Let's take a look at one trade I made in gold today. It is actually for 800 for $400. I took it at 8 a.m. Today is February 28, 2022, and right now it's lunchtime Eastern. So let me show you what I saw and why I took the trade. So this one is actually a reversal. If you see overnight here, starting, uh, so yesterday when the market opened or the pre-market or overnight market opened, there was a nice gap here to the upside in gold. Then it went up, found this high, and then it started to move down and then made a little bit of reversal in this area. And this is the trade, the area where I took the trade. So you see the same thing here in the point and figure chart down below in the left bottom corner. You see there's a big gap, and then it started to move down, drag it down here, and then it started to move back again, and now found another lower high than this one, and then came back down. So right now the market is right in this area at 1894.40. So let's see the trade in the entry chart, which is the Renko. And let me find it first. So here it is. And let me make let me expand this area here, and so you can see what was going on. So price was below moving averages, and then there was this congestion here at 4:30, 4:13 a.m. and in the 4:10, something like that. So then market made a move to the upside at 5 a.m., 6 a.m. came back down, and 7 a.m. it was still moving in the range. So I was looking at this Darvas, and it was moving to the upside. So there was this area here where made a move to the downside, but it didn't follow through, and there was some positive momentum here as well. So I took the entry right here at 1911.5, a little bit premature of this here because of this move, because my actual entry should have been at 1911.9. But I thought, it worth the risk to take it at this 1911.5, and then I took the trade. So that moved all the way up here, one target, which is 1915.5. So that was $400 profit today in gold. So you see, market has started to move sideways. You can see here in the left chart, the anchor chart, that is still the bias is to the upside now. And you have previous high right up above here, but market, did not follow through, and then it started to move down, and by 11 a.m. But since I saw this, choppiness, there was a valid entry right here, but I was okay. So market has started to move sideways. Here is um, the range. This is the opening range for gold, and you see then market started to move down. So I did not participate in any of this. Just made a target, and I'm okay with it. So yeah, $400 in gold. You see momentum is still down. It seems that found some base now right here. Let's move this. area here, but if you have a reversal, then that would be okay. But still, market looks bearish. So I'm trading with the trend, and at this point is bearish, and so I already a little bit extended to my opinion. All right, so those are the trades that is one trade I made in gold, and hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching.